Okay, welcome to another low quality kitchen video. This is the Beta 48mm Boano Sachs conversion kit. I have not opened it up. Got my package opener tool, doing this on the counter because it's the only place with lights, so you can deal with my dirty dishes. All right, so I'm gonna cut this bitch open maybe. All right, all right. Okay, all right, I'm gonna try to lead this. Shit. All right, hold on. All right, we're back. Let me see if I can get this open. Ooh, look at all that. I don't know what all this is in here. Let's see. Try to get this under here so maybe the light isn't totally blocked. The light's going to be blocked. All right, what is this? Oh, looks like a triple clamp thing. Yeah, I know this video. This video sucks ass. We got this here. Oops. Go this way. Got a steering stem. Part of what you're supposed to do for this kit is to move the lower steering stem bearing over to this, but I just went ahead and ordered a new one so I could keep the original intact. All right, let me move this. Okay, let's see. Just cut out. Oh, look at all that. Oh, okay. We have a new axle. Looks like some new wheel spacers. Let me get in there. There's some bolts with washers. Okay, so you've got these, oops, these kind of bolts, like off of the RR for your front axle. And then the one is just a cap. Yeah, so it's basically an RR axle. Beep. All right, that's exciting. It had these two bolts. I'm pretty sure those are for moving the brake caliper mount. We'll see. And you've got these wheel spacers, which are metal and green, it looks like. Okay, let me move that crap. Ugh. All right, let's see, let's get into this. Oh, this is just a spring. I ordered a new spring for the stock rear shock for right now. Hoping to replace that a little later this spring with the factory shock, which is, I believe, basically a Sachs with Olin's TTX guts. Might be wrong. All right, let's see. There's another compartment here. Oh, okay. There's the other one. This is Boano race parts on it. That's the upper. Okay. think that's all the little stuff. Okay, so here's the forks. That's a really awesome shot, I know. All right, let's get this up out of here. Okay. Do do do. Boop boop boo. Boop boop boo. Okay, so it's basically going to be like a RR as opposed to the XTrainer as far as fastening the axle. Let's look at the top here. We have an adjuster and an air bleed screw there. Okay. And these are resized to internally shortened to maintain the geometry of the XTrainer. All right. So let's get this other one out of here. Okay. So there's that. The brake caliper is going to go on there. And here's the other fork leg. Again, we have an adjuster and a bleed screw. Yeah, let's look at the bottom. All right. So we got some stuff going on there. We got a click adjuster. Wonder if it's labeled at all. Nope. I believe it's compression on the bottom. I don't know. I'll find out. But yeah. All right, we'll put this back in here. I don't see any paperwork unless it's underneath this phone crap here, but I won't bore you with that. But if there is any, I'll just make an annotation at the end. So that's what you get there. So there's the fork legs. We'll take another look at these guys here. So there's the lower. The upper. You still have your 3 positions for your handlebar mounts. I also ordered a set of, there's for putting your computer on. I also ordered a set of the Beta 20mm risers that kind of just go in here. I have standard height flex bars, but I wanted them taller. I'll try those. They were $35. If it doesn't work out, I'm probably going to order the Enduro high bend bars. All right, and our steering stone. Oops. And then all of our spacers and all that kind of crap. All right, well, that's pretty much it. Today is Wednesday. Stuff just arrived. Probably not going to get to put it on until Saturday, but I'll make a little video and show that stuff. All right, so while these pictures roll by, I'll describe the ordering process. You go to betasuspension.com, tell what you're going to order suspension for a new or existing bike. Go through the options till you get to the kit you want to get. You'll need to add a spring extra. The spring chart on the suspension site wants you to do it without equipment. There's a lot of controversy about the Beta spring rate chart, but anyways. After that, before you complete your order, you have to fill out this big form about your suspension. I was pretty particular on it. I noted the type of terrain I ride and what gear I'm usually in on the bike in that terrain. You know, all about the rocks, what percentage I would sit versus stand, the size of the rocks and things that we encounter here, even down to like I have a number plate bag with 2.5 pounds of stuff in it. After that, you complete your shopping cart, and then you must pay for your suspension, and then you will get a confirmation, and then they'll start your suspension build. I ordered mine on the 26th of February. It was built in California, and it got here today on the 6th, but it did ship last Friday. It was. So it was like a 2.5 day build, whatever it was. They say they're going to call you. I did not receive a call to discuss the suspension. But like I said, I was pretty darn detailed in my notes. So we'll see how it goes. But that's the ordering process. I'm going to try to get these on the bike this weekend. It's all covered in snow and ice outside and really cold here. So probably won't get a chance to ride till at least the 16th before anything melts. But at least get them on the bike and we'll take a look at that. Hey, Archer, what are you doing?